Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up in Credit Karma. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Credit Karma app, and now once you open it, you will be able to see the interface on the Credit Karma apps on the screen, where you can see there is a two option in here, login and sign up. So let's tap on the sign up and okay. Now let's allow it first, and you can see it is asking us for our email address and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the create account, and yeah, you'll be able to log in successfully. Create your account successfully. So basically this is how you can create your account in Credit Karma app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.